Hello, my name is Keshwani. It's Keshwani, Keshwani. We are here because we want to prepare for GRE. We have been solving GRE math problems out of this book here, the GRE official guide, the 4th edition. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You're going to need it. Today is our lesson number 42. We are on page number 234, day number 42. The very first problem that you see on the page, on page 234, is as follows. Problem number 3. We are told that x is an integer greater than 1. So x has to be an integer, it has to be more than 1. Column A, column B. In column A we have 3 raised to x plus 1, and in column B we have 4 raised to x. Go ahead, pause the video, do it yourself, figure out which quantity is bigger, or if they are equal, or if you cannot tell. I'll give you a second for you to be able to pause and unpause the video. Go ahead and do it yourself. Let's see what we can do. The easiest, the simplest, the most economical way to tackle this problem is to simply plug in the numbers. Just keep it simple. Don't try to do it algebraically. Just plug in numbers. It has to be more than 1. It has to be an integer. Let's start with 2. When x is equal to 2, we have 3 raised to 2 plus 1, which is 3. Here we have 4 raised to 2. 4 raised to 2 is 16. This is 27. So far the answer is A. Let's try one more time. When x is equal to 3, now we are dealing with 3 raised to 4, because if x is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, so we need to multiply this quantity by 3 and we get 81. And that represents 3 raised to 4. And that's when x is equal to 3. And if x is equal to 3, we need to have a 4 raised to 3. In other words, we need to multiply this by 4 one more time. We get 64, and that gives us 4 raised to 3. As you can see, we are moving closer. Before we were very far apart, 27 versus 16. We're getting closer. Perhaps we should try one more time to see if it switches. If it doesn't switch after 3 times, that's it. We're not going to try 4 or 5 times. Let's try one more time. Let's multiply it by 3 one more time. And we're going to get a 3 and a 24, 243, and that represents 3 raised to 5, which is when x is equal to 4. Let's see what we get here. Multiply it by 4, and that's going to give us 256. 16, carry 1, 24 plus 1 is 25, 256, and that represents 4 raised to 4. Well, there you go. Here still is 81 versus 64, so the answer still was A, but now we have 243 versus 256, the answer switches. When x was equal to 2, the answer was A. When x was equal to 3, the answer was equal to A. When x is equal to 4, the answer switches. It becomes a B. Therefore, the correct answer is D. It cannot be determined. It cannot be determined. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.